Welcome to the Brown family. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This video, I'm just going to show you my everyday life. Just me and my son bonding and me doing his hair. Now, before y'all get on me on the comment, his hair is washed. I wash his hair with the braids in. I let it air dry, and then I take his hair out one by one. And depending on the hairstyle, you know, it helps me out, like, easier to do his hair and section it. Now, as I am taking out his hair, I am reaching over to put some shea butter and some castor oil in his hair to put back the moisture that the shampoo stripped out of his hair. He has terrible skin, like breakouts sometimes, so I have to use this shampoo from Neutrogena. It's for like anybody who have like eczema or dermatitis and stuff like that. So I know that is a strong shampoo, and sometimes after the wash his hair just feels dry and lifeless. So I be have to put back the moisture in, and me and him be talking, so don't mind us.
What else? Y and Z? Handle? Yeah. You see that? Okay. Where is it? It's raining. It's raining? It's raining. It's raining? Yes. Hey, Kendall, you finna get lost. Mom, is that Thomas? Yes, Thomas the train? Yes. Oh, man. What happened? Daddy. It's raining so much. Daddy, Daddy. Why is the train? Daddy. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Shoulders, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Shoulders, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Taylor, you're the first person I see whose hair will do this. Yeah, that's hard. Ouch, ouch. It hurt? Yes, it's hurt. Ouch! Sorry. Ouch, 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 ouch. Kick your mommy.
You gonna be crying soon, mommy?
Oh, oh, oh.
How you put so much grease in your hair? Stop. So at the end of the day, this is how our day go. He gets his hair moisturized, I detangle it, and then later on I blow dry it straight, so when it's time to braid it's easier for me, and I do this in sections so it can be easier for him. Thank you for watching our vlog, and hope to see you in part 2.